Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. The torrent of Samsung Galaxy S21 FE leaks have continued, with the latest being a hands-on video by Instagrammer Kamalo, who appears to be a phone retailer. The device looks very good in the brief hands-on video, with what appears to be a soft-touch rear cover. The device has been showing up on various official Samsung sites, including Samsung's Irish online store. There the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 128GB OLED is being listed for €769.00 or 81.77, while the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 256GB OLED is being listed for €839.00 or 89.10 per month. In UK the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE will start at £699 and will go up to £749. The handset is set to feature a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen with 401 ppi and 120Hz refresh rate, under-screen fingerprint reader, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The device has a 32MP front-facing camera with an 81-degree wide field of view, while the three rear cameras are 12 megapixels main, 8 megapixel zoom and 12 megapixels wide angle. The 3x optical zoom camera benefits from dual-phase detection autofocus as well as a hardware image stabilizer. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 888 octa-core SoC running at 2.84 GHz and has an integrated 5G modem. It will have either 6 or 8 GB RAM and 128 or 256 GB storage, but no microSD slot. It will however support 2 nano SIMs and an eSIM. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE will have a 4500 mAh battery with USB-C fast charging, has wireless power share, an aluminium frame and polycarbonate shell, and has IP68 certification. It will be available in graphite, olive, lavender, and white. That's all for now guys, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more content like this.